National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lunenburg County, southeastern Nottoway County, central Dinwiddie County, northern Brunswick County, until 4:45. At 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusty oversized hail. Radar indicating impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and cars. Will be near Fort Brunswick around 4:05 p.m. Wilson's around 4:10 p.m. McKinney around 4:30 p.m. Dinwiddie around 4:35 p.m. Dinwiddie around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include North Wellville, Irby, Rawlings, Barrow Store, Murdoch, Portland, Warfield, Warren Store, Darvall, and Orbsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757.